I'm Mel. I teach the Nourishing Flow on a Wednesday night for Women's Aid, and I absolutely love it.
Hi, my name is Melanie. I've been making iRest Yoga Nidra meditation audios for people to use, people who've subscribed to those. Um, it's going to be a little bit different going forward. We're going to have a monthly Zoom meeting, and then the audio will be provided to take away and work with as much or as little as you want. iRest is a very healing, grounding practice. It's very beneficial for any sort of anxiety, trauma type symptoms. It's also beneficial practice for anyone really. Can open up a different way of looking at things, a bit more of a sense of possibilities, open up to a more kind of positive experience of life. So if that sounds interesting to you, that's what we'll be doing. All right.
Hi, my name is Phoebe and I run the drawing workshops with Cardiff Women's Aid.
Hi, my name's Alex and I run the creative writing and art classes for Women's Aid Cardiff.
Hi, I'm Zosha Joe. I run the Dancing the Self Mindful Movement workshops for Cardiff Women's Aid. I'm a dance artist and improviser, and the workshops are all about finding comfortable, organic ways of connecting to your body and being playful with music.
Hi, my name is Alison and I teach the TMW, which is Tai Chi Movements for Wellbeing, on Mondays and Thursdays. It's obviously for all abilities. You don't have to have any experience of Tai Chi. So it'd be nice if you wanted to join. Thanks.
Hi, my name's Sabrina and I run the women's fitness classes for Cardiff Women's Aid.